I have planted my thing. So good morning guys, today I want to give you a quick update on my balcony flowers, how they're doing. And I planted some flowers and also some veggies, and yeah, so let me go and show you how everything is doing one by one. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So first of all, I normally do night shift, and I just came from my night shift right now. As you can see, I'm glowing. The weather is also perfect. I came from my night shift right now, and I just poured water. That's the first thing I normally do before I go to work in the evening and early in the morning when I come back from work. So that's that's a must. When you're planting your flowers, it's a must. And also I expect some disappointments, because there's some flowers which are gonna take like almost 2 months, they're not growing, and you feel like throwing them away. And there's some we're gonna take only 1 week and they're gonna do well. So let me show you. So guys, I bought these flowers like 1 week ago, and it's doing pretty good. They were so dry, but right now they're kind of getting back life, and they're doing well. And this one, like I said, I bought them 2 months ago. I actually don't see any progress, so I think these flowers were for winter and I bought it at the wrong time. You see, it was orange in color, and now right now they're like light orange. They're like fading, you see. I am so disappointed. Even the yellow patch, as you can see, it was so sweet yellow. Right now they're just something else. I feel like removing all these and buy this, because I love this type. I'll show you later the other type. This is the pink part, the pink flower. Yeah, it's doing good, but it's not doing that good, but it's there. Okay, now we have our red flowers. They're also fine. At least this one, they're not yet faded, but at least they're doing okay. And then we have this orange. I will throw this thing away. See, even the green part, I don't know what's wrong. This is like I'm pouring water day in and day out, and it's just like not doing right. Somebody should please advise me what I can do with these flowers so that it can grow well. I thought it's gonna be like this, something beautiful, like that tree over there. As you can see, that tree, the shape, I thought it's gonna be not that tall, but the shape of those leaves, something like that. And then here we have the red part. Is also doing okay, not growing, but at least it's not fading. The white part, nilikata julikuwa imeungua. I don't know what is doing. These ones, they're disappointed me, these two. Then I bought this one. Don't cut my flower, please. Then I bought this one with the other one I showed you on the first part. And this one is doing pretty well, as you can see. I just giving it only 2 weeks, and I'm gonna show you a new result of this one. And now guys, here comes my best flower. This is my favorite flower. Leave this one. This one was supposed to be with the other types. I don't know why this one is growing. Like this pink part, the red part is okay, but the orange and yellow, this type is bad. But now see the pink part, guys. I really love this pink part, and it's still growing, as you can see here. It's still inakuwa supu. It will be very, very beautiful. I love it. And then when you come to this white part, oh my god, this is catastrophe. Anyway guys, right now we are done with the flowers. I'm gonna show you our veggies. So I planted this flower as a joke. These tomatoes as a joke. I planted these tomatoes, and then it didn't grow. I just kept 3 seeds from the normal tomato. I took the normal tomato and just put 3 seeds or 4, and then it took almost 2 months, nothing was going on. So I said, okay, let me add some coriander because nothing is going on. Let me put some coriander. As you can see, there's coriander here. I said, let me put some coriander and see what is going if it's going to grow or the sand is bad or anything. But right now, leave the thing alone, okay? Did you cut or not? Don't cut, okay? Guys, the corianders are growing really well, and here we also have some corianders. I also put 1 seed here of tomatoes. That's why you see this one. I'm gonna unpluck. How do you say unpluck? And I'm going to remove all these tomatoes here and plant them in a big container because they are now 3 of them or 4. And then the coriander, they're also doing a really good job. As you can see, the coriander, they're really growing well. And then here I just planted orange, and as you can see, there's something coming out here, so we're gonna give it some time. So guys, and then here we have I have my paprika. I just put too much water because it requires also too much water, but it's gonna be fine because if you don't add too much water, you see it's drying. That's why I just put too much water. And then we have our tomato. I have my tomatoes here. They are really growing. As you can see, the yellow parts. As you can see, the yellow parts are also here. This part here. These are a good progress, guys. I love it. It's growing really fast, really fast, as you can see. And then here, as we come to an end, we have our strawberries, guys. See that? This is the best part of them all. I have my strawberries growing over here, and I'm so happy. You can't wait for them to be red so that we can eat them. Yeah? Yeah, so guys, that's it. So that's how I have planted my things, from that side to up here, and then as we go to the other side. Oh, I really love this flower. I really love it. I'm gonna look for more like this one, yellow, so sort of those colors, and then I put them. I'm gonna remove like this one. I have to throw it away, and the orange thing, don't remove the flowers in this part. I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, and the yellow there, they're not doing anything good. So guys, that was the update of my garden, my small garden here of the balcony. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.